welcome to another vlog. So today ay mag-grocery haul tayo. So I was going to vlog yesterday, or not yesterday, this morning. Mag-opening vlog ako, opening spiel. However, medyo hindi ko talaga pingnan mag-vlog, pero naisip ko, ay, talaga hindi nag-vlog. So might as well share with you what we did today. We just went to Walmart and then we decided to go to Goodwill. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili ko sa Goodwill kasi ano siya, nahilig ako ulit basa ng mga books. So, para naman ma-functional yung ating brain. But anyway, I'll share with you what we got at Walmart. So, as you know, every week we go to the grocery, not to spend too much money, but to just get whatever we need. Kasi last week naman we went to Costco, the store, Walmart. We already got everything we needed, like yung mga main necessities namin, like meat, not really meat, but fish or whatever. Now, we just got some supplies na kailangan namin, like yung mga leeks or yung mga cherries. So, I'm gonna start first randomly na lang with the juice. This is our favorite Minute Maid Zero Sugar Juice, Mango Passion, and then this one is Strawberry Lemonade. So, ilalagay ko lang muna ito sa fridge. And then the next one is itong reduced fat milk, lactose-free na ultra pasteurized. So, ito yung iniinom namin ni hubby for cereals. Huwag kayo mag-alala kasi meron naman kaming bag na insulated na ginagamit. So, kahit medyo matagal kami sa store, hindi naman masisira yung mga pinamili namin. Next is yung cherries. So, this is like $5 per pound. Hindi ko na nakita sa receipt kung magkano yung total na binayaran ko. Pero, lahat ng pinabili namin ngayon sa Walmart, mabatang na $80. I mean, everything's getting expensive and I just grabbed some, I think 1 or 2 items na wala sa list. Pero that's it. So, ito yung bread na bibili namin sa Costco if you're familiar. Costco is actually cheaper. Like $7 lang. Pero it's okay kasi pag pumunta naman ng Costco, edi mapapabili naman tayo ng kung ano-ano, diba? So, ayan, mga sis. And then I got the cheapest butter stick, Imperial, $1.17 lang to. So, ito. One of these days, baka mag-fridge tour. So, yung realistic fridge tour tayo, okay? Next naman ay eggs. 1 dozen of eggs lang. Kasi usually we get like 18 or 2 dozens. So, ayusin ko yun mamaya dito sa fridge. Lagay muna sa fridge. Pero meron tayong container dito. Next, itong crescent rolls. Para siyang croissant, pero pwedeng i-bake. So, merong Pillsbury. Pero yung Pillsbury, alam ko masarap ang Pillsbury, pero I still want to try out products ng Great Value kasi nga mas cheaper. And if it tastes the same or the quality is the same, I would always just go for the cheaper one, right? Because why not? Next is a vegetable oil. Great Value na lang bilhin namin kasi mura lang to. Mga $4 to. So, lalagay ko yan sa pantry mamaya. And then, number 1 sa list ko ay garlic salt. Ito yung binibili ko. Next time, kapag wala na kaming mortar na garlic salt, babalik tayo sa not babalik. Papalit ako ng Himalayan salt. Kasi may nakatara akong cheaper Himalayan salt. So, ayan mga sis. Mila ko ng thyme. For mga spices. Light brown sugar na Great Value. I only use this for cooking. Pero as much as possible, hindi kami nagko-sugar sa coffee. Ginagamit ko yung stevia. Or pwede rin honey or monk fruit. Also have some onions here. Dalawa lang para hindi mabulok. And then itong onion. Ano ba ito? Onion. Green onions. Nilalagay ko siya sa ganito para hindi mabulok. And zero sugar brownie mix. Why? Because why not? Kapag nag-crave tayo, yun na lang i-bake natin. And syempre, bumili ako ng chocolates pero hindi dahil sa, what do you call this? Hindi dahil sa naki-crave or whatever. But yeah, pa naki-crave, siguro konting-konti lang. Pero as much as possible, hindi kami kumakain ng chocolates or too much sweets. Kasi we're not really like trying to lose weight, but we're trying to live healthier, if that makes sense. So, got this intense dark chocolate raspberry. I know this is not zero sugar, but nalagay ko lang ito sa fridge namin. And, what else? Yeah, yun yung mga food na binili ko. So, yung mga non-food naman, very basic lang. Wala ka masyadong binili talaga. Scooper ni Makara. Alam niyo na sa litter box. Great Value na disinfectant. Lovely Lavender. Ito talaga very strong yung scent, lalo na sa banyo. So, to yung bathrooms namin. Yung isang bathroom na ginagamit ni Hubby, yung pinaka-main bathroom namin, ay, ano siya, mabango malinis. Yung isang bathroom na, malinis at mabango rin naman. Kaya lang, syempre, andin yung litter box ni Makara. So, basically, yung bathroom na nasa kwarto namin, master bathroom. Parang bathroom namin, dalawa ni Makara yon. So, I make sure na clean yun everyday. Kasi nga siya, may cat kami. May Makara sa clean cat. I mean, mostly cats are clean because they clean themselves. But, I'm trying to be sanitary, or what do you call this? Mas sanitized ko siya everyday. And gusto ko mabango-mabango. So, ayan. Food na Makara. Friskies. Ayan. Papakita ko binili ko sa Goodwill. But other than that, yun lang mga pinamili namin sa Walmart. So, hindi tayo masyadong gumastos. So, share ko naman mga pinamili namin sa Goodwill. So, mga like 15 minutes na kami ni Mama Mirna doon sa loob ng Goodwill. So, I'm starting to collect books again. Not like just random books na kaartihan, okay? Kumbaga, books where we can learn some stuff. And dahil nga meron na akong parang, I mean, this is of course our own home and I wanna start having books kasi even naman sa Philippines, marami talaga kaming books in memory of my uncle. So, marami siyang naiwan. Kung sa libo-libong libro, marami kaming libro doon. So, it's nothing new. So, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So, I bought this thesaurus na, what do you call it? It's like a dictionary, pero parang mas intense, kumbaga in-depth yung mga words and phrases doon. So, mayroon akong ganito color greens na sa Philippines, di ko nadala. But anyway, ayan. Because I want to start reading again. And of course, I feel like it's a requirement to work ko just because, of course, you want to look smarter. You want to sound smarter when you talk to other people, right? So, I bought some cookbooks in approval of Hubby. And wag kayo mag-alala kasi 75% off to lahat sa Goodwill. Goodwill, hindi siya brand new, pero it's fine, you know. Hand-downs are okay and mga second hand. Gwyneth Paltrow. Yeah, favorite. This is pinaka-favorite artist. And marami siyang delicious recipes here. And what I like about this, meron siyang photos kasi nga visual learner ako. So, mas na-entice ako mag-cook kapag may photos or reference na ako. So, I would know if the food that I'll be cooking or that I cooked ay same na same yun sa ginawa ng mga chef or mga, mga influencers, kumbaga. And then this one I really got because of avocados. We love avocados so much. And there's a lot of recipes about avocados. And then, eat more, way less. So, wala siyang photos, pero I think this would help me and Hubby. And then this one is not the healthy version of a cookbook. This is Betty Crocker. I think I only got this because of the color. But again, there's a lot of recipes here. Especially you can buy Betty Crocker na mga brownie mix, cupcake mix, Walmart or any stores. Even sa Target, meron ata silang ganun. And then, last book that I got is the 1-Year Bible. So this for me and Hubby. We've you know, every night we pray, but we wanna have some sort of reference na before we go to bed, ay babasahin namin dalawa at the same time. So it's never too, you know, it's never too late to become closer to Jesus or to God. Although we pray, pero I think having some sort of reference like this is really good kasi you get to understand what the Bible is or what's inside the Bible. Yo. And mila ko ng damit. So I like gray and white and bagay to sa fall or sa winter. Medyo nga madali na kasi kami kanina, wala na akong time mamili. So next time na lang siguro ulit. But anyway, ano lang siya, parang $2. Ayan, perfect. And then, I also got, it's just like technically a brand new dress. I would wear this during graduation. Good for winter. It's really thick. It's a thick fabric. So, I'll use it for graduation. Sa mga students namin sa school. So, lalaban natin yung mga sis. So, that's it. That's all I got for today, or we got for today. So, I know I haven't been vlogging for, I think, for 3 weeks or almost a month now, but I'll try to be back as soon as much as possible. And beauty vlogs, random vlogs. It doesn't matter anymore. Kasi I've been thinking about it. I don't think I can just focus on beauty videos, skincare videos. Kasi, I mean, that's me. At the same time, mas gusto kong makita yung, like, the real me. You know what I'm saying? The real me, like a real me phone. Charot. So, gusto ko talaga na mas, ay si Makara. Hi, Makara! So, mas gusto ko na mas makilala niyo pa ako. At, syempre, who knows, magkaroon kami ng vlog kami mag-asawa ulit. And, basta we'll see. Mahirap kasi magsalta ng tapos. But anyway, thank you for taking your time. Pagkatapos itong video na to, thank you so much. And, comment down below what videos you want to see. Again, my name is Lois. I live in Alaska with my hubby and my cat. And yeah, we're looking forward to having more videos with you. And soon magkakaroon tayo ng siguro before the end of the year, magka-condo tour tayo, the process, and we'll share with you whatever. You know, at this point in time, hindi na talaga ako masyadong, what do you call this? I don't really think about things that I don't have to worry about. So, if that makes sense. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did today. Super short lang. But yeah, I hope to see you on my next one. See you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless and stay safe. Bye!